Take me where the sun is shining, watch the mist roll down the mountain, a place we can go.
Marriage is a gift from God. It's one of the first things that God done for us in giving us the gift of marriage. And Jordan, Jesus calls you as Jenna's husband to love her the way Jesus loves sinners.
Watch the light dance perfectly, it can feel just like a dream. You can take my hand and make it reality.
A man shall leave his father and his mother and hold fast to his wife, and the two of them shall become one flesh. So they are no longer two, but one flesh. What therefore God has joined together, let no man separate.
The way your hair falls on your cheek, the look you give that makes me weak. I love
Jenna, as long as I live, I promise to always be committed to you and love you. I promise to support you through your decisions in life and stand by your side no matter what they look like.
I wish I had 100 songs to write and sing for who you are.
Jordan came. From the moment I heard your voice, I knew you were the one. The countless minutes we would spend on the phone and how good it felt to have someone who actually wanted to know more about me. We helped each other get through a really difficult time, and I'm forever grateful that you came into my life.
And I can see a life together, you and me.
As for myself, I know my patience isn't the best at sometimes. I could be hard to deal with. But I promise to always do my best for you and be the man you deserve in this life.
We can know love, and we can know and make it reality.
I remember the nights that I prayed for you. There's no way that I found you on my own. God knew we needed each other.
The way your hair falls on your cheek, the look you give that makes me weak. A love I've never known.
We've been through a lot already, but I wouldn't want to do this life with anyone else. I thank God for you every day. I thank God we found each other, and I love you.
I wish I had 100 songs to write and sing for who you are. Make it feel just like a dream. You can take my hand and make it reality.
I promise to always respect you and support you. I promise I'll always take care of you through the good and the bad. I promise to love your daughter like my own. I promise to always be your partner, and even on the days when I feel like the world is against us.
When you first told me your name, I didn't hear a word you said, but it was written all over my face. Should've known it was you I would love until the end. Ooh. Ooh.
It is a strong bond that now and forevermore will be a symbol of unity between you, a union of mutual concern and shared respect, and of holding tightly to each other as form a lifetime of memories.
Bet you could see it in my smile. Should've known.
I love you, and I'm so honored that you chose me to be your wife. I love you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Jordan Bruce. You may kiss the bride.
Learning how to live when there's no one around. It's like learning how to feel when the drugs run out.
The secret to this happy marriage remains a secret forever. So don't ever listen to Jordan, because he rarely ever tells the truth.
I feel better now. If I could crawl in the mind and give any advice to my own.
Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness. Those are all qualities that people want in life. But in Jesus, we can attain it. So that's my prayer for Jordan, that you would love Jenna the way Jesus loved the church and gave himself for it. And I thank you for always being there for me all my life. I love you, man.
'Cause it's all that really matters in the end. It's love, love, love. 'Cause it's all that really matters in the end.
We had many fights, many hugs, many cries, and I always love him. He's a big baby, always will be. I hope the best for you, and I hope Jenna can put up with you and take care of you, and that's it.
Give too much of you to someone else.
I prayed that Jenna would find a good man that would love and appreciate her. My prayers were answered when you found each other. I'm counting on you.
Find someone who'll be there for you. 'Cause that's all that really matters in the end. Find somewhere you can come home to. Find someone that'll die for